Dr. Winters here, and we're going to do another unboxing video, this time from Gaia Herbs. Gaia Herbs is an organic herbal farm outside Asheville, North Carolina, Brevard, North Carolina, and they grow all kinds of different herbs there and great harvesting techniques and so forth, and we use their professional line. So this is actually our first order from Gaia Herbs, and we're going to open it here and get rid of all this paper, of course, and let's see what we have here today. So our first supplement from Gaia Herbs is nighttime HPA. So this consists of ashwagandha, reishi mushroom, organic cordyceps mushroom, and a proprietary blend which has magnolia, lemon bulb, so forth. This is to help people turn off the brain at night and reset their circadian clock. So it's an adaptogen. It helps them be stronger. It helps them adapt to stress, but particularly to switch the brain off at night and be able to sleep better. So that's nighttime HPA. HPA stands for hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis or connections. Basically brain to pituitary to adrenals. Second formula here is Mast Cell Formula. Mast Cell Formula helps an overactive immune response. So when people have excessive allergies, when people get hives excessively, when people have histamine intolerance on the extreme end, they might want something like Mast Cell Formula. And Mast Cell Formula has a specific blend of curcumin or turmeric. Then it has stinging nettle to reduce these histamine responses, and then quercetin and golden seal and black pepper, and then organic ginger. So that's Mast Cell Formula. So I'm going to get into this other box and get another complementary thing, and that is quercetin synergy. Quercetin synergy. So we've got several bottles of that. So that's also going to be for people with lots of allergy responses, people who, you see it says mast cell support. So there's going to be vitamin C in here, quercetin, bromelain, turmeric, and citrus bioflavonoids, a great supplement. So this is a great combination of people for people that have excessive histamine responses. And we just ordered a few things in this first round from Gaia. The next thing is a formula for men and a formula for women, stamina and libido formula for men. Stamina and libido formula for men. And this is epimedium, tribulus, organic oats, sarsaparilla, maca, tangadali, and saw pimento. So this is to help the male hormonal system, especially in the terms of stamina and libido, help the system be stronger. It's really going to have some effects positively on the brain as well, as I've tested it on people. And then arousal restore formula, and this is for the ladies to, again, help with libido. We have tribulus, organic oats, epimedium, as we mentioned, damiana, maca, sarsaparilla. So there's a lot of slightly different formula, but a lot of the same herbal blends in here for men and women. So this is going to help with libido and energy and brain. So that's those supplements. And that's really what's in our first round of supplements from Gaia Herb Company, and we're excited about working with them as well. We've also got MediHerbs, so we have some of the best herbal companies that you can possibly deal with. And I just thought I would do an unboxing video here and show you what we have for Gaia Herbs. And they're going to fit well with our food research brand and also, of course, with Standard Process and MediHerb. So we're always looking for the best that we can get for people. So if you want some help with libido support, if you want some help with histamines and allergies, we've got some great formulas there. And then the other one was the nighttime HPA to help reset the circadian rhythm and the adrenal clock, and for people who are having trouble getting to sleep. And there's also Gaia has so many other herbal things that can help with sleep. We're excited to explore those in the future. But I thought I'd do our first unboxing with Gaia Herbs. I'm Dr. Michael Winters, Winters Wellness Chiropractic Redefined.